Don't ask. I got no fucking idea what that was. Fucking cocksucker. Jesus fucking Christ! Fucking hell! Great timing, you fucking dickhead! Fucking prick! Are you coming? I thought you were. I fucking guessed you were. Oh, Toyota Prius, yeah. You don't need your signals. You don't need anything, buddy. I know you're gonna fucking wave around. You're gonna wriggle around like a little spermie. Don't fucking tell me move, you cunt! YX60 Echo 00 fucking pulls into me, shushes me on as well. The fucking attitude. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing, van? You don't want to go my way. And is Selwood planning to jump? Yeah, look, he's jumping. What the fuck? Straight through that red. Everybody's just jumping at this point. No regards for the rules. It's anarchy out here. Wanker. He thought he could overtake me and change lane there. He crossed he changed lane over the bridge. He had to wait for me. What a dickhead. Tried to race me. Thought he could overtake me to turn left. What a dickhead. That's what you have in London at the early hours of the morning.